Hello and welcome to our channel. Today in this video, I will talk about 3 websites which you can use for downloading any kind of software. So without killing your time, let's get started. The first website in my list is termed as getintopc.com. Getintopc.com. This is a free library where you will find all the softwares with their cracks and patches. So it means there is no need to download any separate crack. You just have to go to the website and you have to search for the softwares. For example, let's suppose you want to download Photoshop 2020. So you simply have to open this website and then you have to write the name, like I have written the Photoshop 2020. You have to hit the enter button and you can see we have this Photoshop 2020 application over this side over here. And the best thing is that there is no download mirror or something. You just simply hit the download button and the files will start downloading automatically. For example, if I'll click on this, then you can see that it will take a few seconds for me. This page will appear and then in just a few seconds the file will automatically start downloading. So like there's a ad blocker in my browser, that's why I'm getting this pop-up. But if you will disable this, then you will not get any such pop-up. Fine. So as you can see that our file has started downloading. So I generally use this website whenever I have to download any kind of software, and you guys can also use this. And the benefit is that whatever files you will download, by default all these files are encrypted with a password. So in this website you also get the password. Well, I have found many websites on the internet where we get the files but we are not able to remove the password from these files. Okay, so in this website all the files have this common password, that is 123. Now let's talk about our website number 2. In this list, our second website is also a very interesting website that is named as freeforpc.org. Well, it is also similar to that Get Into PC site. Here also you will get all the softwares along with their patches and cracks. So you simply have to find your software, you have to hit the button, and then when you will scroll down, you will get all the things here. Like if you can see that, then I've clicked on this IDM. So we are getting all the patches and the serial keys of IDM from this site. And you will also get the direct download links from here. And by clicking on these links, you can directly download these files without any problem. And you can also see the RAR file password over this site. So you can use this password to extract the files when you will download them. Now in this list, our third website is Freeware Files. So let me show you. So you simply have to type freewarefiles.com, and this freewarefiles.com is a kind of freeware utility, or it's a repository of all kind of freeware websites, freeware softwares. These freeware softwares are some kind of free softwares for which we don't have to pay, and these are made by the companies for free only. So from this freewarefiles.com you can download all sort of freeware games, applications, things, and a number of screensavers, wallpapers, media clips, and all the tools from here. So these were some websites which I generally use whenever I have to download any kind of software, pirated one or a freeware one. But still I'll recommend you guys to use the original softwares, because sometimes in these pirated softwares we have some bugs planted, we have some kind of malwares or spywares which are attached with these softwares. So this can impact your computer a lot, it can affect your files, and it can also harm your computer. So with this, we end this video here. You will get all these links in the description box, so from there you can easily go and download them. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hit the like button if you like the video. Share this video with your friends if in case you want your friends to visit all these interesting websites. And in the next or in the upcoming videos, I will come with more such videos with some more interesting websites where we will discuss about the features and tools in detail. So thank you so much all. And if you haven't subscribed this channel yet, please go and hit the subscribe button.